Hey guys, so we've been talking about compose and decompose fractions. So real quick, let's go over what compose and decompose means. So compose is to put pieces together. So I want you to think about we're adding. So over here it shows you how we're adding the blue ones in with the red ones. Decompose means to take pieces apart. So if you notice, they took all the blue ones out and they took all the red ones out. So that means we are subtracting, to take apart. Okay? So, for your assignment today, this is going to be for a grade. You are going to do this on your own. Yesterday, we did the paper that was called Break It Apart, Glue It Together. So this is actually the same thing. So if you notice, questions 1 through 5, it says decompose the given fraction into the sum of unit fractions. So this is where we're going to be taking our fraction and decomposing it into an addition sentence. Okay? So this is where you're going to be writing, I'm going to put out to the side, an addition sentence to go with our fraction. Oh. And then at the bottoms, we're going to compose the unit fractions. So 6 through 10, we have the fractions, and we're going to add them together to make our fraction for the whole thing. So that, remember, if the denominators are all the same, so that means that our sum is going to have the same denominator. We're adding the numerators together. On the back, you have 11, 12, and 15. You can mark out 13 and 14. These are word problems. I know we haven't done word problems. I'm not going to take a grade on the back part, but I am still going to look at it and give you feedback. I am taking a grade on 1 through 10. Okay, so 1 through 10 is going to be for a grade. The back, I want to see what you can do, and then I'm going to let you know how you did on 11, 12, and 15. All right, guys, when you are finished, you need to submit the front and the back. Make sure I can see the picture so I know what you wrote. If you do not have this handout and you cannot print it out, you need to grab a piece of notebook paper and nicely copy this down. So that means I'm going to go get my piece of notebook paper and I'm going to say number 1, 3/4 equals. Number 2, 5/8 equals. Number 3, 4/6 equals. Number 4, 2/3 equal. Number 5, 2/5. Number 6, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals. Okay, write it nicely on a piece of notebook paper. Don't just write it scribbly on it, okay?